Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to Friend for Learning channel. Have you ever wondered how the electrical system actually works? What controls the on and the off of the light bulbs? Here we go into our exploring world. So today our live lesson is all about electrical systems. So the aim of this lesson is to recognize the components of simple circuits involving batteries. And the success criteria will be, after this lesson, you can make a circuit on your own and test it, and you can predict what will happen to the bulbs in the circuit, and you can draw a circuit. So, what is a circuit? How a circuit looks like? Here is a picture of the simple electrical circuit. Also, have a look at this. Now, let's have a look at the components of a circuit. What you notice in this? Well done. You can see a battery, a bulb, a switch, and wires. So these are the basic components required to make a circuit. So what do you think? What is a circuit? Where the word circuit comes from? Good question. The word circuit comes from the word circle. Electricity can only flow around the circuit if all the components are connected and there are no breaks in the wires. Once again, we will recall what a simple circuit contains. Well done. A simple circuit contains a bulb, a battery, and connecting wires. Now let's have a look at the components of a circuit in detail. To start with, first you need a battery. The battery is the main component which is a source of energy. So, for the bulb to light up, you need some sort of electrical energy. So, and this electrical energy you get from the battery. So, battery is the main important component of this circuit. We use batteries in various gadgets in our daily life like clocks, watches, toys, and many more. The next component we are going to see is the battery holder. This battery holder holds the battery in its place. The next component is the bulb. A bulb uses the electrical energy provided by the battery in the circuit. The next is the bulb holder. The purpose of this bulb holder is to hold the bulb in its place. Are you wondering, the battery is in its place, the bulb is in its place, how the energy is passed? There you are. And here we come to another component, that is wires. Wires carry the electrical energy that is produced from the battery from one component to the another component in the circuits. Wires are made up of flexible strings inside them. These strings are made up of flexible metals, copper, iron, etc. These metals are very good conductors of electricity. Hence, the wires carry the electricity from one component to another. And finally, the next component is connectors. And connectors make our job easy by connecting one component to another component with the help of crocodile clips. And now we have come to an important part of the circuit, and that is a switch. A switch is a component which controls the openness or closeness of an electric circuit. They control over current flow in a circuit. Switches come in various sizes, shapes, colors, designs. So students, you too can build a circuit at home, but with the help of adult supervision. You can buy the components of the circuit in any electrical shop. You will need battery, wires, bulb, switch and connector. After you have all these things ready, connect the bulb, wires and battery together. Then make sure everything is properly connected. If the bulb lights up, all the parts of the circuit are working and everything is correctly done. We call it a circuit because everything has to be joined together in a circle for the parts to work. The parts that fit into a circuit are called components. What will happen to the bulbs once you connect? The bulb will light up brightly. Even you can use 2 bulbs in a circuit. Okay, the bulbs will light up but not very brightly because you are using 2 bulbs. This is how a diagram of the circuit looks like. Have a look at this. This symbol shows lamp. This shows battery. This shows wires. This shows motor. Now have a look at the matched components to the symbols. I hope you enjoyed being with me for this lesson and you understood the concept very well. Stay safe, students. Thanks for watching Friend for Learning.